finally reached Dotonbori and we are both freezing.
Look at the juice. Oh gosh. Look at that meat. Look at the meat. God.
It's so fresh. I'd say this is a must-have. It's a must-have. You come here.
Not must try, must have.
If we had any tip, try to dig out as much meat and put it all into your mouth.
It's so sweet. It's soft. And the crab flavor is just bursting in your mouth. Oh god. Okay, we're gonna see you other times. We're gonna eat this first.
On to the next one.
This is called the dancing
Takoyaki.
because why? It has, you see, there's the octopus tentacles. So cute, right? Oh, it's so soft. Hot. Oh, wow. I don't know how I'm gonna put it in my mouth. I want to do it, but it's so hot. Oh.
I just put it in. Risk burning my tongue. It's hot.
I told you can't resist. There's so many things else to eat the whole day.
No. Oh, so like, it's soft and creamy and juicy and now it's chewy.
There's a baby octopus inside. Entire baby octopus, not just the feet.
Put it all in one bite. Wasn't that hot?
But my advice is wait till it's a bit cooler before. What are you doing to yourself?
Takoyaki is very famous in Osaka. Definitely worth a
Please
try.
go get it. Takoyaki. It's everywhere.
We're both happy. Off to the next one. Shop where you pick your meal, pay for your meal, take the ticket, and get served. Okay, let's randomly press something. I think pick up food also is pretty random.
Yeah, we just randomly picked our food because we are not sure what we ordered. It was surprisingly good.
Yeah, more. Let's go. This whole road is Totomuri, all the way to here. This is the other bridge. I guess that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow with a new video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to us. And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Good night.